Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is a nice and easy one. Have you got a Kia? This being a Venga, but it can be any Kia group car with a panoramic roof. So my one's, for some reason, I can hear the motor working, but it's just not opening and it's stuck. So in this reason, well, the strip's fallen off, as you can see at the top there, and that's the reason why. But if yours hasn't fallen off, but for whatever reason it's not working, there's a simple solution for this, and it's going to cost you pennies and get resolved in minutes. So what you need is some silicone spray. So here I've got the specialist WD-40 silicone. You can use, also there are specialist silicone oils, especially for these mechanisms. Don't get the normal WD-40, you need this silicone one, because that helps to get rid of all the moisture and gets the mechanism lubricated. So all you do, open up the straw, go into the gap there, spray it all the way around. There you can see the mechanism exposed. Be liberal and go all the way to the back on the grooves there, and then go around to the other side. And as you can see on this side, the strip is there, but there's still a groove in there, so you can get the straw in there, and you just literally do the same thing. Be very liberal, spray in there. There we go. Get it in there, spray it all the way down, and like the other side, go all the way to the back there. I've already obviously sprayed, so I sprayed this about half an hour ago, but I would recommend that you wait overnight before you do this. But for the purposes of this video, let's see what happened after half an hour. And there you have it. Hey presto, it's working. Can't hear it on there, but it was creaking a little bit and it wasn't moving back as smoothly as it should do. That's because I haven't given the silicone oil spray enough time to do its magic. But if you leave it overnight, at least about 12 hours or so, and by the next day it should work right as rain. So there you go. Hope that helped everyone. Nice, simple, easy fix. You can do at home. Do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.